fellas, welcome back. It's Robert, your everyday gentleman. Now, I don't have a full video this week. I'm not doing a regular video this week. I'm actually filming this video on my phone. So I apologize if the audio isn't good, but hopefully you can hear me well enough. What I wanted to do this week is just kind of share something that I've been working on. It's the reason I don't have a regular video this week. Something that I've been thinking about doing and working on for Instagram. If you're already following me on Instagram, then you've probably already seen this video, but if not, it's something that I wanted to share to my YouTube audience. If you're into pipe, if you're into smoking in general, I think you might get a kick out of it. It's going to be short little videos, and this is the first one that I posted. So without further ado, let's check it out. Let me adjust this orientation. Here we go. And now, peculiar thoughts while smoking pipe. The first bodybuilder was Dr. Frankenstein. That was peculiar thoughts while smoking pipe. What do you guys think? Did you like it? I hope you got a kick out of it. I don't know, I thought it was a pretty cool idea. So I'll be posting more of these. If you guys have any suggestions for peculiar thoughts, shower thoughts, that I can include in future episodes of Peculiar Thoughts while smoking pipe, make sure you put those in the comments down below. If you enjoyed it, make sure you let me know by hitting that like button. Also, I want to say thank you because we did hit 2,000 subscribers during the week, which is amazing. I can't believe that I have 2,000 people that enjoy my content so much that you've all hit subscribe and continue to watch my videos. So again, thank you very much. And remember, being a gentleman is an everyday thing. I'm gonna get back to the pipe, fellas.
We bop and hippity hop, I'm as happy as I can be. Whoa.